Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. It's been a long day. Today we have the 2009 Volvo S80. This is the 3.2, 235 horsepower, 3.2 six-cylinder. Yeah, it just got traded in. It's gonna be a little dirty. Hey! I was wondering where that went. There you go. Look at that. Just added some value. It's not in the greatest condition, but it runs, it drives. Hey, me too. I've got an anxiety. Just a little damage there. Don't worry about that. Runs, it drives. I haven't had the chance to drive one of these yet. I think maybe once I've driven this platform. That's it. So I said, you know what? I've got the keys to it. I'm gonna take it for a ride. Now, it's got 135,000 miles on it. I have no clue. I mean, I appraised it. I don't know how strong this motor is, so I'm not going to beat the absolute crap out of it. But we could do some accelerations and see what this thing's like. This one's not for sale. It's going to auction. So this is kind of just for fun. Thought that was an M4 for a quick second. I am a big fan of Swedish cars because you got this, Saab, and Koenigsegg. For a country that makes cars, that's pretty darn cool. There's probably a couple I forgot. Listen, I'm sorry. Not Swedish. The only thing Swedish that I know inside and out is Swedish fish. And it's probably not even Swedish. Just like French fries and French. What am I talking about? That's a review of a car, not food. There's a different guy on YouTube that does that. It's actually probably multiple. And there I go. I'm back to food. What time is it? That's 5:10, yeah. Oh, did I crack it? No. Alright, we're good. I'm left-handed. That's why the watch is on the other side. Because I know if I don't say that, I'll get a comment and da-da-da-da-da. Whatever. It's got a nice little sound to it. That's not half bad. It's not the 5-cylinder. I think you could get these in an 8 too. There's a little vibration on the highway. I probably should have checked to see if the tires on this are okay before I take it up to 80 miles an hour. But hey, where's the fun in that? merging. Oh, I love those 10-speed shifts on those caddies. I drove the, I don't know if it was a 9-speed or a 8-speed or a 10-speed. I can't remember. It was years ago. I drove a CT4V, and the snap between the shifts is unbelievable. That was a CT5V. That was a nice little between shifts. It was deeper than that. It was like a, no, definitely not that sound. Let's see. This thing has headlight washers. Oh, it does one at a time. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it did that. This makes sense. Maximize pressure. If you think about in your house, if you have 3 bathrooms and 3 showers are running, you're going to have less pressure in the one than if just 2 or 1 shower was going. Now I'm talking about showers. This review is all over the place. I apologize. Listen, auction cars, I'm not trying to sell anything. It's not as professional. It's just kind of fun. These cars aren't perfect. They're not great examples. Some are, but they're not excellent examples of what they used to be. It's just kind of a, hey, we have this. I'm going to drive it. That way you guys can get a feel of what it's like to drive, what it looks like, what it sounds like, how it held up over time. Ooh, pothole. Yay, pothole. Oh, that was a bump. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.